Yo, guys, what's going on? So, I finally am getting a chance to get around to checking out this microphone because I've been seeing this thing absolutely everywhere for the last few months. And I was really kind of expecting to see it like die off because obviously it was like some gimmick and it's not really that great, or, it just looks great and it's a TikTok shop item and everyone's trying to sell it and sell you on it and whatnot. But I've been having a little bit of trouble with this microphone. I've had this microphone for a little while now. Again, it's a USB mic. It's maybe $100 brand new, maybe 129. I don't remember. I got it off Facebook Market for a deal. It was like 60 bucks, $65. So of course I picked it up because it was better than the GameStop starter streamer kit that I had. So be it. But this thing, fee fi fo. I don't know what they want to call this thing, but it's fine for me. And this is the K688. This is a dynamic microphone and it's XLR and USB. So you can use this for a USB mic, as I'm going to do now while I wait until I get a XLR interface, which this company does sell. But I'm really trying to pick up the Stream Deck that they have out now with the XLR dock that goes in the back of that. That's next on my list. So for right now, we're gonna test this thing out, open it up, and check out what it sounds like as a USB mic. So it might not sound as good, but I am super interested to see how it compares to this Rode mic that has a bunch of filters on it through OBS and all the noise canceling, because this doesn't have anything built into it. But with this dynamic microphone, it's got a bunch of cool features. And actually, let's take a look at this. So this is kind of what you get on their website. They show you it comes with a shock mount, comes with adapters, USB-C to USB-A, the user manual, but it's only $67. It's only $67 here on Amazon and it comes with one of these cheapy little boom arms. If that's all you got for right now and you can put this thing on and set it up on your desk and you're ready to go for $67. So there's a good chance with the videos that I've seen, like how good this thing sounds, there's a pretty decent shot that this is gonna be like the go-to microphone. And I don't know. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in the box. Oh man, I'm a little bummed. There was no tape on this thing, so I couldn't use an obnoxiously large knife to centrally cut this thing open for you guys. But maybe on the next video. So take a look at this thing. Right out the box, this thing is looking super clean. This thing does not give me $70 mic vibes. Looks this thing looks pretty expensive. If I saw this just shown on a desk, I would assume this thing was, a couple $100s. It's got that Shure mic, that beacon mic, long like cylinder dynamic mic look. The only thing that really kind of sets that off is this shock absorber ring, which I kind of like. I like the look of it. It looks super professional. I think it'll look good in videos. And it's just like a super simple design. It's got this nice slide off wind guard. You can see all the internal parts of the mic. You can just slide that on and off. Obviously, you'll probably always keep that thing on there, but let's see. We got the XLR mic adapter here for the XLR cable. We got the USB-C. We got the headphone jack, as well as a headphone monitor and a gain knob. So you're going to be able to plug your headphones into that, and then you'll have a volume knob to be able to monitor what your mic sounds like, as well as being able to adjust some of that gain when you're first getting your microphone set up. You got your traditional mic mount, which that's what that 3/8 adapter is. It goes inside that hole so that you can mount it to like a boom arm with the 3/8 adapter. And one of the other things that's pretty sweet, which most modern microphones have now, is a little touch to mute. So when you just kind of touch that, it's not even a button, kind of just like move your hand over it and it'll just kind of sense that, and it's going to mute and unmute your microphone, which my Rode mic actually doesn't have. So let's see, what else do we got in this box? So you are going to get a USB to USB-C cable, as well as that ring adapter that I was telling you about, which is your 3/8 to 5/8 adapter for your boom arm. So that's pretty much all you're going to get with this. And I want to get this thing set up, check it out, and show you what this thing sounds like. So be sure to stop back for that one.